How to fix ThinkPhone 25 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection will be work properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then make your internet connection strong. After that, open settings and then scroll down and click on battery and then click on battery saver. If you turn on this battery saver, then turn it off. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down in last and click on system updates. And here you can check your system updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on system and then click on reset options. Now on top you can see the option reset mobile network settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.